Alright, here we have, I have a ZAGG cover on this one. I'm taking it off because I removed this ring here for the pre-cut. I wouldn't suggest removing anything, just leave it intact and put it on so that the entire thing is covered. So, because I'm taking it off, I'm going to do a scratch test. So, here's the ZAGGs on there. Okay. Let's scratch it. See that? Write my name. Write my name. It's pretty. Can you see that? Alright, now, gonna remove it. Okay, see that? Perfect. That's what you want, that's what you pay for. Let's see if I get these little squares off. Little circles. It's a funny looking square, it's round. Okay. Okay. Taking out the centerpiece. Alright. Now I'm going to shut it off. Okay, so here's that. Scratch tested. Clean it up. I'm just spitting on it. I don't have any special spray, so just make sure you have the cloth. It's not sticky at all. It's totally, you can see that. Okay. Wash my hands real quick. I don't want to have sticky hands because it makes it hard to hold that thing. So it's pretty much all clean. Still one little smidget there. That thing would be ruined if I didn't have that case on there. Okay, so now I have this. Spray it on the fingertips. Spray it on here. I like to spray it on here because then it's easier to move it. You'll slide it around. Okay, still intact. That's good. I like to keep my fingers really wet because I don't want any fingerprints. Alright. Take it off. Now. Now see, because I have so much on there, it moves around. That makes it a lot better because then you don't have to worry about anything. You don't have to worry about it sticking and then having to re-peel it off or any of that. So then once it's centered on there, which it is pretty much exactly centered, then I'm just gonna hold it. I don't want it to get in my open port, so let's see. Okay. Now I just work it off. Make sure it stays center. As you can tell, I put a lot underneath there.
Typed in Sandy Springs High School reunion class of '65.
Alright.
High School, 1959.
So just working it off.
It picks up reunion, it picks up.
Oh, I didn't put Georgia.
Alright.
Maryland. Okay. Well, apparently Sandy Springs in Maryland is a lot more famous than one.
Alright. I think that's just about on there. Cool. Alright. Now just let it dry. Good to go. Is that?